time to wake up. Look at that guy over there. Hello. You nice
Hello.
and warm?
Huh?
You nice and warm?
I'm not like super warm, but it's bearable. It's fine.
We're in Banff! You see this right now? Banff! Banff! Look at this. Slept on ice. It's not too bad, right? Alright, let's go snowboarding. That was so cool! You made it!
We are almost totally packed up. We're at the road closure that leads up to Moraine Lake here in Alberta, Canada, Lake Louise. And that's our objective. And we're gonna be racing the sun because we got a late start because we dilly-dally. But we're about packed up. Ryan's putting the finishing touches on, and then we're gonna get going. And it's about 11 kilometers to the lake. And we're hoping to get there before the sun is down and find a nice place to set up camp. That's where we'll sleep tonight.
What are the chances of that?
What are the chances? We'll see. What do you think?
I think we are on a good pace right now. Keep this up. There's a chance we'll make it by 7.
7? Any idea what time sunset?
Around here.
No clue. But it's going down. My toes are so sore. My legs are so sore. Numb. Oh man. Back hurts. We choose to do these things. We put ourselves through this. And we're gonna look back on this after we get out of here saying that it was worth it and such an awesome experience. But at the moment, this is just god awful. Yeah. Water. Water. Water.
Slept just about 11 hours.
If that's what you call sleeping. What's the plan?
I think that we've got to start packing everything up. Just get it all tossed into our bags, put our boots back on, get into our wet socks, and then go check out the lake or the river and see if we could cut through the ice to get some extra water. Because we're not going to have enough right now. So if we can get the extra water, then we can each drink a little bit extra before we leave here, fill up, and then hike the 11 kilometers out.
Ugh.
Whatever that's going to equal, like 4 hours or so. And we have, 3 Cliff Bars, 2 Justins, and 2 gels combined. So I don't think we want to hang around for too long, unfortunately.
Yeah, we underestimated the length of this excursion. I have to pee so bad, but I don't want to get out of here.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking about how cold it was when we got up yesterday. It like warmed up pretty good by like 9:30 or 10.
We're also about 1,000 feet higher in elevation right now.
Yeah.
So it's probably going to be just as cold
Chilly.
or colder.
Chilly.
Very chilly. I am very warm right now. Really don't want to get out of this thing.
Me either. But we kind of have to.
Just unzipped, I found out that I was laying on top of this GoPro that I hold in my hands right now. If you want to see what else we get to sleep with, pull some things out. First off, I slept with this jacket at my feet. Keeps it a little extra toasty. I have...
Hold on, but before we...
this boot.
Alright, he's got the boot. Before we go through the rest of the shit in our sleeping bags, show the view that we just woke up to so that I can close this bag and not let in all the cold air, and then we can do the sleeping bag stuff.
Okay,
So this
good
is
idea.
This is what we have. You know, we don't have a lot of water, we don't have a lot of food, we're exhausted, but we did it for this.
Not too bad, huh? Get this guy out there. One-liner. Avalanche beacon.
I forgot to take my beacon off.
You never turned it on. And you slept with that?
Yeah.
That had to be uncomfortable.
When I rolled over, it was uncomfortable, but not worth getting out of the bag to fix it.
I believe it. Got another stinky boot liner.
I've got a puffy, also stinky boot liners with GoPro inside of stinky boot liner.
Good spot for it.
Good spot.
Got both socks that are still damp from yesterday, but they're actually not as wet as I thought they would be.
Liter of water. This is gold right now. Absolute gold.
I actually thought I had more stuff in here, but I seem to have lost it.
Got another stinky boot.
You slept with your pants on too, shell pants.
Yeah, dude. I just got it last night. I didn't do anything. I just got into bed.
I used mine as a pillow.
You really did?